Don't know, just say name for us.
Paul Hibbert, coach of the Liguanea Football Club.
All right, coach. Mission basically accomplished. Tell us about that.
Well, first of all, you have to give credit to Liguanea. That they played an excellent game. They stuck to their game plan. We may not have looked like the complete team in the first half, but I think we turned it around in the second half. Played a much better second half going forward. Got a really crisp goal, and I think from there we took control. There were a few counter-attacks from Liguanea playing to the side, which they normally do. I thought the defence dealt with it well. We had a few instances where a couple of players surprisingly went down with cramp. The changes helped, the energy level came back up, and we were able to hold on and get the victory.
This is not your first time lifting this major league?
No, this is actually our third time. The last time we won was in 2014. As a matter of fact, I think we have a good record that year. We won the Major League and the Under-20 in the same year, which was very unusual for our club. So it's been 12 years back in the championship. Hopefully we'll use this as some momentum and do well next year. But kudos to the guys. They stuck together. They fought real hard, against the odds in the last part. It really looked rough, but that's the hallmark of a championship team. When they were done, we stuck in there and we defended well and we got the victory.
What does it mean to be champion for your community?
Well, I think other than Waterhouse, I think we are one of the biggest football communities in Jamaica. You can see the crowd was behind us. The community deserves something like this, and we're a community team. We only have one player from outside the community. We've always built from the under-13 coming straight through. So this is a real marvellous victory for the youngsters, but it's good for the club, and it shows what academies, our youth programs can do when you build from the base and promote the players coming through the club.
And you were in the Premier League already?
We were in the Premier League once. I don't remember the year, but I think we did well. We hung in, we played some good football. Unfortunately, we got relegated. It's going to be tougher getting back there now with this tier 2 and all of this whole heap of levels to get back there, but that is the aim. Hopefully someone will come and help us out by Bulby, because every football club needs the help right now.
Say your name again, and we are?
Paul Hibbert, coach of the Bulby Football Club.
Coach, you brought the team over the line, coach. What is the goal for next season?
Well, in the championship, if all these guys come together with an addition of a few more, we actually during this week we had a few players, former players who are playing at the higher level, came and helped us with training and gave us some encouragement. If all Bulby footballers come together to play for Bulby, we are going to be a force. We have a lot of players playing for other clubs, quality players. Hopefully we can attract them to come back. And if that happens, with the blend that we have from this championship team, I think we'll do very well.